Hello and welcome, I am Maass and you're watching Head to Head with UATV. 4 projects of the architectural studio based in Kyiv won the prestigious International Design Awards. Ukrainian designers received 2 gold medals in the Illumination category, 1 bronze medal in architecture, and an honorable mention of one of the developments in the field of object design. To talk more about new design trends, we are joined in the studio today by Cyril Matiash, architect, co-founder and director of Maass Studio. Hello and thank you for joining us today.
Hello, nice to meet you here.
Nice to meet you also, and congratulations on the occasion of your victory. Could you please tell us how important are these awards for you?
Thank you, nice to meet you here. Thank you for congratulations. It's first of all, it's important for us because it's international award.
So this is like international recognition.
It's I must say it's not about the recognition, it's about improvement, the way in which we design the things.
Mm-hmm. That your trend is interesting also internationally. This is what improvement for you means, right?
Yes, the EDA competition is located in Los Angeles, so the California actually today it's the hottest place for design world. One of the hottest, I must say, and it's pleasure to be awarded with this jury.
Could you please explain for those who don't know, what is this International Design Award? How is it recognized? How is it important in the world of design and architecture? And maybe you could say a few words, how many countries have been participating in this competition?
I'm not sure that I will be clear in such
all the information,
some numbers, but the award is rather young. They start approximately 2007.
Okay.
But now it's a big company, and it's big team of jury from all around the world. And I think the numbers of countries which participate in this award, some kind of 90 or maybe 100, something like that.
So basically, it's a very big event in the world of design and architecture. Well, I do know that this competition has 5 nominations: architecture, interior, product, graphic, and fashion design.
Yep.
So you have 3 medals and 1 honorable mention. What does this latter one, this honorable mention, mean?
Honorable mention, it's a special mention of jury. It's not the place or medal like a gold, silver, or bronze. It's like a first, second, and third place in competition. But honorable mention, it's like a special mark of the product. So,
I understand. And could you tell us about the works that you have presented at this festival or competition?
Yes, of course. Our studio, actually we specialized on architect projects, design projects, and we do product design, and also we produce our products by ourselves.
So you design them and then produce, no?
Yeah, some kind of full cycle of
the whole manufacturing process.
Yeah, we decided that we have something to show, and we participate in architectural nomination and also design nomination. We choose the projects that are very clear to show the way we're thinking, and we wanted to reach some kind of improvement that we are on the right way, and actually what we did, and we get this approval and this nice feedback from the jury.
What was the feedback? What was unique about your products?
The unique is as I say, it's a way of doing. We're not focused on fashion design or trend design, or we don't think about the form or shape of the project. So we gather all information about the problems which should solve our products in real life.
So your products are practical, that's what you mean?
Yeah. And I can mark in product design, it's body form light. It's a very interesting project for us. We did...
it's a lamp, right?
Yes, it's a light for facade, for the building elevation.
So the whole lighting system, okay.
Yes, and we developed the unique construction. It's it made with concrete, and we produced 500 pieces, units of this. It has unique light pattern on elevation. It's very nice feeling in the evening. And in architecture, it's very similar with design project. We do the concept of chocolate experience museum. It's bionic shape, and I can say that no one designer in the studio or architect never draw a special form or shape of this project, and we generate it with special scripting and a special scenario of how to say, special scenario of how we reach this result, final result. So the unique is we not draw. We not create something from the mind or something beauty. So we just solve some problems and
you try to solve it with your product. Well, I do remember I saw the picture of this. Well, not the picture, right? But the graphic design, right, of this Museum of Chocolate Experience. And I do remember that. That modern area of that super modern museum was integrated into the urban and manufacturing area, which was really a nice mixture, because on one side you see the factory, which is old, dated back in 19th or 20th century, and on the other side you see a completely 21st century modern museum with a modern square in it. Could you please tell me, how does this award, International Design Award, benefit your future perspective?
Just one step in not for us, it's for public understanding what we're doing, actually.
So you want to be more understood by the public?
Yes, it's just a way of connection with people who are not involved in architecture or design profession, and I think it's work rather nice, and so just one of the steps. And
just the final question to conclude our conversation with, speaking of trends, the variety of tastes and creativity, how would you evaluate, how do Ukrainian designers follow up on the latest world trends, or can Ukrainians actually develop trends?
It's a nice question. I also ask myself the same. And the last several years, Ukrainian designers take part in such kind of awards or exhibitions, big exhibitions, which is really very nice. I think it's more You know, designers, Ukrainian designers, feels that they want to show the world that we also can do some good things. They should be in context of strong manufacturers. So in Ukraine, I think it's only how to say, so industry of furniture or this
Is developing?
It's only started to develop.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very important to show yourself in the world where the market is big and strong. So we have all potential.
Just to seize the competitors and to have the assessment, the true assessment from the international community and from, I don't know, different designers and companies, right? Okay, well, once again, congratulations, and thank you so much for being a guest today in our studio.
Thank you.
That was Cyril Matiash, architect, co-founder and director of Maass Studio. Thank you for watching Head to Head, and stay tuned for more with UATV.